This project is soldier position tracking using GSM and GPS. Here are the connections, sir. Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply and 16:2 LCD. GSM modem and GPS are connected to Arduino through yacht. Panic button is connected to Arduino digital pin. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. GPS module and its antenna. Antenna always faces to sky. We have to keep GPS module in open environment with open sky. GPS took long time to get accurate values in indoor, so keep it in open environment. Here we have open environment. Sometimes GPS will take a few minutes to get a latitude and longitude. In this project, military can track soldiers in 3 ways. First one, when soldier press button, location will come to mobile number. Location sending. On LCD S means SMS sending. Soldier location sent by soldier. Second one, for every 30 seconds location will come to mobile number. Soldier location time interval. Third one, if we send request SMS star as hash, then also we will get soldier location. Soldier location by request.